Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today showing you the seat covers on the 2020 Polaris Ranger 1000, XP1000. It's an awesome set. We're going to show you it's a black Ostrich insert with a MultiCam black for the trim side. Turned out sweet. Let's check this thing out. Okay, let's check this thing out. This is the, again, 2020 XP1000, 2020 Ranger, Polaris Ranger. As you can see, the outside has a dark green to it. So I was really excited to see how this went with the MultiCam black. Again, MultiCam black for the trim and black Ostrich for the insert. And as you can see, that pairs up really nice. There's that dark green on the exterior. As we come in with the interior, the MultiCam black does have a lot of blacks to it, but it also has kind of a darker green as well. Let us know if you need some fabric samples so you can make sure these are going to be good for your vehicle. But again, that MultiCam black for the trim side looks really nice. Black Ostrich for the insert, so cool. And this black Ostrich is a simulated leather, and the trim, the MultiCam black, that is a canvas material. So it's going to be nice and durable. Both are water resistant. Both are very durable materials. And as far as some of the options on this set, we have a driver's side MOLLE Pocket. Okay, so there's the driver's side MOLLE Pocket. That's a great setup where you can open that up, and there's the pocket storage right there, so you can store guns and gear on the inside of that. Right there, MOLLE webbing on the outside, so you can use those MOLLE loops and hook on different pouches. We have a MOLLE pouch that integrates there, and then also you could put on pistol holster on the outside. This is a great option as well. You can open that up on the inside and put your pistol or other storage on the inside of that MOLLE Pocket right there. So there's the driver MOLLE Pocket. We also have one over on the passenger side, so both driver and passenger side MOLLE Pockets on this setup here. Now, a little bit about the install and fitment on these. This driver bottom right here, okay, we have a full install video to show you how to put this on, but really how this all works is there's straps and buckles that get it all nice and tight, and then here's a drawstring around the outside that tightens it down as well. Okay, so again, we have a full install video that walks you through all the steps on this vehicle, and if you have any questions, obviously you can contact us and ask those questions. We're happy to help you with that. Now, another custom option here is this was the Headrest logos back here. So for this set that we're testing out, I just had the front seat covers done, and so I'm showing you those today. And the front seat covers have the headrests, and so we ended up doing the headrests in the American flag. Now you could do it in the elk head. We can also have a 2x3 Velcro patch that you could use there. So a couple different options there. Really makes things look nice with the logos on there. And then also rear seats are available. Rear seat covers are available for these seats. This one has a solid backrest, 60/40 bottom. And so again, they're going to be available for you. This set, we're just showing you the front row on these. So this front seat is a 60/40 split bench. Again, the 40 is the driver's seat right there, and that driver's seat slides forward. And the passenger side is the 60, and that 60 folds up right there. There's going to be straps to buckles, okay, that cinch on right there. Again, full install video to show you how to do all that and put this on. And then the backrest is a 60 backrest, so 60/40. And that all goes on nice and tight, looks really good. Here's a little bit of a close-up on how to really use these MOLLE Pockets. And as you can see, there are pockets on the inside, so you could store your pistol or other gear on the inside of them. A nice wide pocket that could hold a wide variety of different pistols inside there, but then also you could use them just for storage pockets on the inside. So then you can close that up, pistols concealed on the inside or your gear's concealed on the inside. But then you can also hook on these different first aid kits, and this is a pouch that we sell. This is a MOLLE pouch that integrates into the MOLLE webbing, so you could hook that on, and then you have, you know, first aid supplies and gear on the inside of that. That is actually a pouch that can be removed off of the MOLLE. Can be taken off, on and off of the MOLLE webbing. So I actually really like to have one of these bags on the passenger side, just because I think that it's a great place to have a first aid kit, is over there on the passenger side. Right there, I have a pistol just kind of sticking out right there, so you can see that the pistol would actually push inside of that pocket for storage. We can open that one up again and push the pistol on the inside down there, and then there's that first aid kit right there. Again, supplies can be stored inside there. Check out our website for more details on these MOLLE pouches that we sell. Comes with a PVC patch, pretty cool PVC patch, American flag, and an elk head on it right there. Pretty sweet. So that's a little bit more about the MOLLE Pockets, how to use those MOLLE Pockets. A really great addition to the seat covers. And again, that's the driver and passenger MOLLE Pockets. Here's another little close-up on the headrests. Again, the headrest covers come with the purchase of seat covers here, but you can add headrest logos to that as well. And that's the American flag right there. It's on a black simulated leather oval right there. Here's the elk. That's another option right there, is to have the elk done. Or what you can do is order it with a 2x3 Velcro patch, and then you could put on different morale patches. Now, we do sell a morale patch, a PVC morale patch, Covers Camo, elk head, and American flag right there. And then you could stick on your morale patch. If you want to order a morale patch from us, that's ours. But you could put on whichever morale patch that you have, any kind of PVC or Velcro patch that sticks onto Velcro right there. It's the soft Velcro, so it's sewn on with the soft side right here, and most all PVC morale type patches and well, just general morale patches have the hook Velcro on the back side right there, and then you can stick that on, and yeah, it looks sweet. So a couple different options there for your headrests. Let us know if you have any questions on that, but that's a little bit more about the Headrest logos. Such a sweet set on this Polaris Ranger. Thanks so much for watching. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. An awesome looking set on this Ranger. Now, if you have questions and maybe you want a different recommendation for what might look good inside your vehicle, contact us. Shoot us an email, give us a call. Again, you can find our information at coversandcamo.com. Now, if you have a different type of vehicle, maybe it's not a Ranger, maybe it's a Polaris RZR, Polaris General, or maybe it's a truck, a Jeep, SUV. If you have another vehicle, we can also get you set up with custom seat covers that look awesome, just like this set here. Again, the website to go to is coversandcamo.com. Thanks so much for watching.